This is for the fathers around the globe. We love you more than you'll ever know. For the strength you gave me, you're truly amazing. Happy Father's Day. Place you on the highest pedestal. We love you more than you'll ever know. You chose to man up, you chose to stand up. Happy Father's Day. From my first breath to my first steps, Pops, you took me under your wing.
All right, anglers, we have another takedown, guys. Another takedown. Let's go. Fish on. Another big one, guys. Man, two big ones, or semi-big ones, on cut mullet, guys. These fish are hungry today, biting on chicken liver and some cut mullet. Flying solo, no partner in crime Tony, no Captain Roy this weekend. Expecting a nice cool front. Not to be too bad, but hopefully it'll strike a good bite. Let's go, guys. We're still in search for a nice river monster. Let's go. Anglers, fish on here. Fish on. Nice, man. This is a good one, guys. This is a good catfish. Nice. First one of the morning, boys. First one. Guys, I've got a massive takedown right now, but it didn't connect on that other rod over there using cut mullet. Flying solo here in Hidalgo County. We have a front kind of coming in, so hopefully they don't bring the rain, guys. Beautiful. Nice big catfish. Let's go. Fish on. Fish on, boys. Fish on. Look at this, guys. He went for the mullet intestine, right? We're feeding them chicken liver, cut hot dogs, and some cut mullet. Flying solo, no partner in crime. Tony, he's gonna be hitting a sweet spot in Hidalgo County in about an hour and a half. Beautiful weather, no Captain Roy. Hopefully we can have Captain Roy back for some Easter break fishing. Nice, guys. Third catfish of the morning. So let's go ahead and continue doing a live streaming on YouTube. Let's go, guys.